In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Roblox Error Code 600. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser where you are using Roblox. Now click on three dots given at the top right. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Over here, you're gonna find the option of security. Click on that. Scroll down. You're gonna find this option of use secure DNS. Toggle on for this option. After that, go to DNS provider option and change it from default setting to Google public DNS. This will help improve connection stability and the change will save automatically without needing to click any save button. Next, search for run. Now in the box, you will need to type in %local app data % and press OK. This will open a folder window. From here, look for the temp folder and open it. Inside this, you're gonna find different folder option. Search for Roblox. Now, right click on it and delete it. After that, make sure to empty your recycle bin as well. This folder only contains temporary cache files and does not affect your saved data or account information. Once you have completed these steps, restart your PC and try launching Roblox again. The error should be gone. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.